Okay guys, as you can see, we are in our backyard. The TV has been set up and our grill is set up. We brought everything that we had at the old house. This is our covered patio. It is not the biggest, but it is, I think, very functional and way bigger than what we had. And of course, we brought all our furniture from the old house, and we are excited to just set it up in this house. So the kids are very excited. As you can see, Kiki is already very busy doing work. And we have our vacuum cleaner there, so we kind of would vacuum this area since it's a covered patio. We have that console that used to be on our entryway. We use it there. We have this storage basket that has all of the cushions for the dining chairs for the patio. So that is what it looks like. The kids, we bought trampolines for the kids, and they have been enjoying the trampoline so much. This one is supposed to be for Kiki, but she barely goes there. And the big one is supposed to be for the bigger kids. And but they love that one. Even the baby loves that one so much. So I'm just excited that they have something to do that keeps them very busy and excited. Of course, we have the flower beds over on that side. And our flowers are growing and turning into bushes. We have to fix all of that, but in the meantime, we would like to set up the patio to be functional for us. Yep. So I'm excited. It's getting really dark, but I love it at working at this time outdoors because, you know, it is just better. The weather is calmer and it is not too humid. The sun is down, and it is the best time to do this. So all right guys, if you are excited, let me know down below, because I am really excited to see what our old furniture could be in this brand new house. But yep. Welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decorating ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create high-end luxury looking homes on a budget. And if this is something you are interested in, you are in the right place. Sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. I would also like to highlight that most of the items you see in today's video would also be found on Amazon, as they are Amazon finds as well, and they would be linked down below. As you can see for today's video, I have my little helpers with me. Daniela is the first of my 3 kids, and she is 7 years old, and she has always been the helper from when she was as little as 3 years old, if you've been on this channel. And so my little baby Kay, who's 2, has finally joined the girl crew to help mommy refresh the space. So I just wanted to highlight that these 2 outdoor rugs were gotten from rugs.com. I would link them down below. So if you're watching and enjoying this video thus far, please drop a beautiful comment down below. Say something nice, because I love reading and replying to those beautiful comments of yours. And if you've not shared the video, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl. Share this video with a family or a friend to inspire them to refresh, redecorate, or make over their outdoor space today, especially on a budget. Thank you so much for always coming back for more. If you're an OG and if you are new, I really do appreciate you coming to my channel to watch my videos, and I hope you get some inspiration before you get out that door. And please make sure you subscribe if you are not yet. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final look of this space. our next video is going to have a very special place to me, a space that I've never had in any house that I've lived in before, which is the front courtyard. And let me tell you, you are going to love that space. It is an outdoor space as well, but the type of furniture I got for that space is new. That is one actual new furniture I have for this house, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it because I am so excited. The furniture is very different from what I have back here. So guys, if you don't like this type of outdoor furniture like the rattan furniture, don't worry, the other one for the front courtyard is also a good inspiration for outdoor without using rattan. So stay tuned for that video because I'm so excited. I thought I was going to be able to include it in this video, but I wasn't able to. So guys, let's stay tuned for that one because that is a very special video to my heart. It's finally morning. As you can see, I have brought out all the things that I'm gonna use from storage from the old house. Nothing is new. Everything here is old from the old house. I did not buy anything new. In the old house, all of this setup was in the backyard, but it was a little bit tight. But here is more spacious, and obviously I have a lot more space to decorate. So I'm gonna refresh it a little bit without doing too much. But guys, just let me know what you think so far. I did not buy anything new. All of this stuff went in the storage, and I'm going to be using them to just refresh this space. Now, if you know me well, you know I do not know how to maintain natural flowers. So the flower beds that we have is enough natural flowers for me. I will be using all the fake full florals for this space, okay? So I've had this dining set for about 5 years now. It's getting sunny, and before the sun gets to the patio, I would like to just really refresh this space so that we can start our day and continue with our normal day life. So guys, let me know what you think so far with this space, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the full reveal of this space, and just let me know what you think, okay? Let's do this.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really want
So we are almost at the end of this video, and if you have loved anything about this video and have not dropped a comment, please don't hesitate to drop a beautiful comment. Tell me something nice, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the final reveal of my dream backyard for a start, because we are going to be doing a lot more in the future. So guys, stay tuned for the big reveal.